Okay, good morning and welcome to the second edition of the HSSC HR Conclave. Now, before we begin formally, and I hand it over to my host for our host for the program, Miss Joy Gupta. I would request my colleague Parul Tripathi to start with the HSSC gratitude prayer. I would just request all of you to just listen to it very carefully. And Parul, it's over to you.
Yeah. So we start with the gratitude prayer. I'm grateful for who I am. I'm grateful for what I can do. I'm grateful for the family I have. I'm grateful for the love I receive. I'm grateful for the love I give. I'm grateful for the respect I receive. I'm grateful for the respect I give. I'm grateful for the food we eat. I'm grateful to be a learner. I'm grateful to be a teacher. I'm grateful to the creator and the universe. I'm eternally grateful, grateful, grateful. Thank you all.
Thank you, Parul. We have this kind of a tradition of starting with the gratitude prayer for all our major events. Thank you so much. It is my pleasure now to hand it over to Joy Gupta, who is the wonderful HR professional herself, a fantastic associate of HSSC, and she's our host and moderator for our conclave. So let's welcome Joy Gupta.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, sir, for that wonderful introduction and giving me this opportunity to be the moderator for today's session. And a very good morning and a very warm welcome to all. Thank you for joining us for the second edition of the virtual conclave by HSSE. I am Juhi Gupta, your moderator for today's event, and I am an HR professional with almost 14 years of experience. And in my current role as a corporate trainer, I'm delighted to be associated with HSSC as Project Lead Corporate Relations. I would also like to welcome Ms. Parul Tripathi as Project Lead CHIC Program and ahead with the most prestigious section of our conclave, which are the HR recognitions. So, I'm a firm believer that HR can be considered as the heart of an organization. And being from the HR background, having had the experience of all the challenges in HR, I can now vouch that yes, HR is the heart of an organization. So for better business success and enhanced management of the workflow, HR plays a vital role in today's growing organizations. And this conclave is a proof that all of us agree to this. So it's an honor for HSSC to recognize people from the HR fraternity for their valuable contribution to the industry. We have a few HR categories for the emerging HR leaders, and under the categories we recognize people as Brainiac, Engagement Champion, and the High Flyers, depending on the different objectives. We have the torch bearers who are the mentors in the organizations and who have helped the organizations develop new processes. Then we have the thought leaders who have developed new systems and processes for the organization and help them transform. And then the highest category in our list is the HR legends, who themselves are a living legend. So I would not say that this is a lifetime achievement award, although Hari sir was like, let's give it a lifetime achievement, but I don't think a person in HR can ever retire. So we have those legends. In today's ceremony, we have few people being recognized under the torch bearer, and we have people being recognized under the Emerging Leaders Award. So let's begin with the first category. So in our first category, we are moving ahead with the Torch Bearer Awards. And as a Torch Bearer, these people have been at the forefront, suggesting and implementing innovative ways to redefine and redesign organizations, processes, and systems. So
let's welcome Gaurav Bakshi.
Please join your hands for our first recipient of the Torch Bearer Award, Mr. Gaurav Bakshi. Gaurav has been a part of the FMCG, retail and financial services industry in India and has made exemplary contributions to leading organizations like Dabur India, PepsiCo, Fitness First, and Religare amidst very dynamic and compelling business and market landscapes. His biggest strength lies in business HR, and he specializes in bringing practical aspects of human resource management as they exist in the real world on the bedrock of core concepts and fundamentals of people management. His venture Stratboard helps people practitioners in finding credible service providers for the full spectrum of their HR requirements. Stratboard is also the official vendor community platform for SHRM India and is receiving some raving feedback from industry stalwarts. We are pleased to have his presence and congratulate him for ideating and executing innovative HR solutions and creating one of its kind platform for HR services.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Wow, can we have Gaurav on camera, please?
Hi. Can you see me?
Yes,
Yes.
Gaurav, congratulations.
Congratulations, Gaurav.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
No. Firstly, thank you so much. Thanks, guys, for having me here, and especially thank you, Hari, for setting up this platform and motivating all of us to continue like you always do. So I think my heartiest wishes to you, and I deeply reciprocate the sentiment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gaurav. And I just want to say, Gaurav and me go back number of years now. Gaurav, I think about 6-7 years. And our first interaction was through a VC call. And you asked me some very tough questions on the program outline I'd made to train your first line managers. So if I had to go only by that, I would have never given you any award, because you made my life so tough. But it's been a wonderful association with you, and you were a speaker last time, and you spoke, and you are an integral part of my life and HSSC's journey. So thank you so much, and you're a great friend, and you are a great entrepreneur, great professional. And the idea is that we want to curate the right kind of people to come onto this platform and inspire people. So Gaurav, anything that you want to quickly share, your thoughts about the role of HR today? But that's the theme of the session. I know I didn't prepare you for this, but
no. I think it doesn't need any preparation because the role is quite clear. I think everybody in HR right now knows what they are in for, and there is no better that time than now, and that's what I keep saying, that the larger the challenge, the greater the opportunity. And before the wave of change drives you, and like a passenger, it's time to be in the driver's seat and take this opportunity to ensure that all that we've been doing for our people doesn't get swept away with the current times, and we adopt digital in a big way to ensure that we continue to engage with people in different ways and fulfill their aspirations holistically while delivering to the business, of course. So it's time to reinvent, it's time to take charge, it's time to add a few skills and possibly find newer ways of doing things differently. Right. That's what I would say. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gaurav. We had a great session by Ajay Sachdev, Gaurav, on the best practices of Eureka Forbes during the pandemic.
I did get an opportunity to hear a little part of that, but and I must compliment some brilliant work there, Ajay, and the team at Eureka Forbes.
So in case you want to kind of connect with them, please do that, because you deal with so many companies, you could share some ideas in terms of what other companies are also doing.
Certainly, we have.
We also want to ensure that good people connect with each other and, create the right kind of learning.
Absolutely, Hari, and I think you're doing phenomenal. Keep doing the good work. My compliments to you and HSSC for the time ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gaurav. So you will receive this certificate on email, and I hope you will take a nice printout, frame it, and keep it on your desk.
Certainly. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Really
Thank you so
appreciate
much. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gaurav, and many congratulations.
Thank
We
you.
now move to our next torch bearer, Niharika Bhargava. Niharika is an internationally educated psychology honors graduate with masters from the London School of Economics, certified in more than 16 psychometric tests, and creator of 3 psychometric tools with over 15 years of full experience in multiple aspects of human resource management. She has worked with Indian and international MNCs. Niharika works at top management and board level and thrives in taking on new projects and responsibilities across the human resource spectrum. She is a recipient of the Access Champions Award, an internal platform recognizing the bank's most industrious employees. Some of her valuable contributions as the lead for employee engagement at Axis Bank has been launching key platforms and programs, including the bank's employee and gender satisfaction surveys, the daycare center at Access House, and the cultural roadmap for financial year 16. It's a privilege to honor Ms. Niharika for her outstanding contribution in administering relevant assessments as well as developing customized instruments. So please join me in congratulating Niharika.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up.
Wow.
Niharika, can we have you on video, please?
Yes, thank you, Juhi. Thank you for the lovely introduction. Thank you for the award to HSSC and Hari and the entire team. The HR Conclave has been amazing, and being part of HSSC for the last 4 years has been great. I'm very through HR and through being part of HSSC, I can actually somewhat try to inspire. I would not say inspire, but try to inspire others to make a difference in HR. So thank you so much for this award. And thank you for all the good work your team is doing.
Thank you, Niharika. It's a very special association for me personally with you and your family. I think I saw Abhijit also joined us. So can we have Abhijit on camera? Abhijit is Niharika's husband. Very busy man at Axis Bank, taking care of CSR. But if he's there with us, and if Abhijit, you want to share something.
Thanks. Thank you so much, Hari. Yes, I'm actually not in a very presentable state. I'm just doing some gardening work outside and listening in.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So Abhijit, how do you feel to see Niharika get an award like this? And I'm sure many more to come.
No, it's really an honor. And I think she is very good at what she does. And she's very motivated. And right. I think one of her best features is not just that she's very motivated herself, but she does a great job in motivating others around her. Absolutely. And I'm sure you will agree with that, Hari. You and I have also met and
absolutely,
yes. You know that. So, and what she's doing, and I've seen her work over Kai with you, know, and then I know how it's the labor of love. So I personally, keep pushing and hoping that, we Kai sees the success that, it deserves. So good luck to HSSC, to you also. And really, I'm really proud of her. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhijit. Thank you so much. So, friends, we'll have many more opportunities to interact with Niharika whenever we do the Kai discussion. She's the one who's developed the survey for us, which we can administer to various organizations. And it replaces a lot of other surveys. You just do this one survey and you get everything that you want instead of doing multiple surveys. So we look forward to interacting with you and making a Kai presentation whenever we get an opportunity. Thank you, Niharika. Very proud of your work.
Yeah.
And very proud of our association. And thank you so much for being an associate of HSSC and, being a part of our family. Thank you so much for that.
No, thank you for having me part of your family. Thank you so much. And
Thank you,
please
Niharika.
reach out to me for any questions regarding HR or psychometric testing. Please reach
Absolutely.
out to me. And the Kai, me and Hari have developed to be able to help everybody, individuals and corporates. So, for further details, please reach out to both of us. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, Niharika. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Niharika, and many congratulations. Truly deserving. Let's move to our next torchbearer and also the last recipient in this category for today, Ms. Natasha Nandaraj Chok.
Joey,
Natasha,
if I'm sorry to interrupt, just want to say this is very special also because this is an organization nomination. So we had asked organizations to nominate the people, and I think Natasha has been nominated by her organization, which is fantastic.
So, just to give you a brief background about Natasha, Natasha is heading human resource at Cash-E, which is a Mumbai-based fintech firm offering millennials quick and easy personal loans. Under her leadership, the company has been recognized as one of India's best workplaces for women in 2019 and Great Place to Work in 2019. Natasha comes with keen business and HR experience of over 12 years in various organizations. She's a strong organizer, counselor, and team leader with success track record of directing major HR initiatives and projects from concept to successful implementation stage. We are delighted to honor her for leading organizational transformation initiatives. So please join me in congratulating Niharika.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Natasha, can we have you on video, please?
Yes, I'm there.
Many congratulations, dear.
Thank you so much. I feel really humbled to receive this award. Thank you, Hariharan sir and your team. Kudos to HSE team for bringing this great platform to share our experience and knowledge. And it was really, really great to hear Ajay and Dilip sir and got a great insight. Congratulations to Gaurav and Niharika too.
And just to add on, I have had the privilege of working with Natasha and I've been knowing her for a decade. She's a wonderful person, both personally and professionally, always there to help you out. And anytime you can reach out to her because she has some wonderful ideas in HR. And this is the reason that her work speaks. And at Cash-E, being recognized as great place to work, great place for women to work. This is all Natasha's hard work. So many, many, many congratulations, dear.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you so much for such a wonderful word. And it's not like that. It's great place to work created by me. Definitely, it's people. And when I joined this company, it was just 120 people. And within a month, I realized that this company is good enough to go for this award. I mean, they should nominate themselves. And fortunately, we got this award. Along with that, we got another one is Best Workplaces for Women. And also we got Best FinTech 2020 by Great Place to Work Institute. So it was a great learning, great experience with this company. To talk about my experiences of this pandemic, especially, the spread of COVID in the world is unlike anything that we have experienced so far. So there is no, I would say no right or a standard operating process that can be followed. But one thing that we have is the purpose. Everyone is driven by a purpose. Every company has their own goal and purpose. So we call this organization as a purpose-driven organization rather just a process-driven organization. So that's something, we keep on telling people that because of you, this company is there. And we believe that, for every company, the strongest resource is people.
Absolutely amazing, Nitasha. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for being there with us today. Keep doing the great work. And we are so delighted that we could get you from Kashi to be a part of this. And I hope you're enjoying.
Yes,
hope you're
I'm
enjoying
yourself.
it.
I'm enjoying thoroughly. Thank you so much, Hariharan. Thank you, Juhi.
Thank you, Natasha, and many
all the
congratulations.
best for your future endeavors, please.
Thank you so much, Natasha.
Thank
Keep
you.
us inspiring always.
Yes, and we would love to have you on the coming Saturday for the keys orientation session also.
Yes, sure, for sure.
Thank you for inviting. You'll receive this on mail, and you can take a nice printout and a nice frame around it, and so it will keep inspiring you as you go along.
I will surely do that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes. So with this, now let's move on to the next category of awards. Which is the Emerging HR Leaders Award. Under this category, we have an engagement champion being nominated by her company. And the objective of these awards is to recognize and appreciate emerging HR leaders who have supported their organizations through innovative ways in preparation for the workforce in the future. So please join me in congratulating the recipient under this category, Ms. Priya Payal Sharma. About Priya, she comes with 8 years of HR experience, and she is the founder of LinkedIn Local Kovai and have made a record of continuous webinars on soft skills during lockdown, which has been appreciated and presented in India Book of Record Holder 2021. She is also the recipient of Young HR Manager of the Year 2019 by HRD. We are delighted to honor her as the engagement champion for her creative and successful ideas for employee engagement. So let's congratulate Priya.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Priya, can we please have you on video?
Hello, thank you so much. I'm so honored to receive this award from the HR and training fraternity, and I'm feeling so grateful for giving me such an acknowledgement. So thank you so much, Hari and Juhi.
So Priya, I must tell you that this award is very close to our heart because this is recognizing emerging HR leaders, the young professionals. I know you're not that young anymore. 8 years of experience is quite a good experience. But I think there's a long way to go. And we have this hierarchy of awards. And one day I hope we are all around to be able to honor you with a Legend Award also.
Oh, I'm so blessed.
Yeah.
With this
so this award is very close to our heart because we want to ensure that the right foundations are laid in the HR departments across organizations in human resources. And young people are recognized, the talented and hardworking young people are recognized in a timely manner, and they're given that push to keep doing the great work, right? And to keep evolving. So congratulations, Priya. And absolutely delighted that your organization has nominated you for this engagement champion.
Thank you once again, Hari. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Priya. And Juhi, I think next time, I hope we can have an hour-long award ceremony,
Yes.
And we get, so one of the reasons why we're doing this conclave is also to recognize people. And we get a lot of delight in getting people to be recognized. And it's very important you give people the timely recognition that they deserve, and so thank you. So congratulations to all the award winners, Gaurav, Niharika, Nitasha, and of course, Priya. So thank you so much for, and as you saw, the awards are dominated by the ladies. Juhi?
Sir, heart of any person is dominated by ladies. So here also in HR, since it's the heart of the organization, is dominated.
Absolutely. Absolutely. But we just ensured that, all three speakers are male to balance it out. Yeah.
So we believe in equality also, sir.
So we need to get female speakers also. And I think we should do that for the next conclave.
So for next conclave, we would see the flip side. We'll have female speakers and we'll have male
awardees. Yes. Yeah, absolutely. Wonderful.
So heartiest congratulations to all. Let's move forward.